Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some gel X nails. It's actually my first time doing gel X nails and my first time working with a mold like this, and I think this design came out so cute. So stay tuned to see how I did it. I'm going to use this dotter, and you really just take any color that you want and put it in the mold. I'm going to make sure I link the mold below. I got it from AliExpress, but I went with a pink and a yellow for the first design, and you got to work in like small sections because the mold that fits the tulip is really small. But I just take my time and just go back and dip in between. So I use a dotting tool to do the flowers and just choose any design you want. You can get creative, and then I'll make sure I turn it around every once in a while just to see what it looks like from the front, so I can make sure that it's fully covered. You want to make sure that the roses are fully covered and connected, because I had a few fall off, so they will fall apart if you don't do this correctly. But it was my first time. Most of them stayed, but only like two of them fell off. So I worked on two roses at a time, or two tulips at a time. They're tulips. And yeah, it's coming out pretty cute. So I use a liner brush to do the green stems of the tulips, and this was pretty easy. I just tried to connect all the lines as much as possible. Once again, make sure you turn it around to the front so you can see what it looks like, and make sure it's fully covered. Make sure the color is as pigmented as you want it to be. Take your time and make sure you don't make too much of a mess, and try to keep it within the lines. So after I finished, I went in with some IBD clear builder gel, and I just filled in after the top. And I was going within each section and flash curing each color. Like the pink, I flash cured the pink before I went with the green, and then I think I cured that for 60 seconds. But you could flash cure, and then I just go in with the clear builder gel just to really encapsulate everything and thicken it up. So after that, I cured that for 60 seconds, and I pulled it out and started trying to wiggle it out. You want to be really careful so you don't rip one of the tulips off. And then you can use your tweezers if you need, but they came out really pretty easily and they were super cute. So then I went in with a purple and white and did the same thing that I did with the other process, just taking my time, working the dotting tool within the mold, trying to make sure I get all the space and that it's pigmented and that the colors are mixed together well. Like I said, I would flash cure. So with this one, I flash cured the purple before I went in with some of the yellow. I ended up doing a blue and an orange, and I loved how they came out. And then this set also had a white ribbon, so I used that as well. So I went in with some cuticle softener and then worked that around my nails. I used a cuticle pusher to push all of my cuticles back. Then I went in with this mini mandrel and a sanding band and just lightly dusted off my nails just to get the shine off the top of the nails. I keep talking about it in every video, but I really love this mini mandrel. I am using these nails that I got from Nails Couture. Then I'm also using this Beetles nail glue. It's my first time using it, but I really liked it. And then I got this color from Shein, I believe. Then I got this Peel Off base coat. I've been wanting to use the Jello, but I tried this one first, and I did end up going ahead and ordering it. This one did not work out for me. I would say the nails were popping off like the first day, but I'm going in with all of these products. I'm also using dehydrator. So I'm going in with dehydrator first just to make sure my nails are really dehydrated. And before I did this, I went in with some alcohol. So just, you can wash your hands or go in with some alcohol. I'm going in with this Peel Off base coat, but like I said, you can try this one or you can skip this step. I would skip this step unless you just want to experiment and try one that's from Amazon, because I had to order the 1 Kill Peel Off base coat and the Jello. That said, I had to order it from Sweetie Nail Supply. I know Amazon is great because it comes fast, so you can try this one out and see if it works for you. But I'm just putting on the Peel Off base coat, going in with my sanding band, and I'm drilling off the back of the nails just so it grips easier to my nail. Now I'm going in and I'm using a generous amount of the glue. This is my first time using it, so I kind of just eyeballed it according to other videos I saw on how much I thought I would need. And then once I did that, I kind of went in at a 45-degree angle from the cuticle and pressed it down. Then I have a gooseneck lamp handy, and I just put it under there. I really like this lamp. I got this from Amazon as well. I'll make sure to link that. But I just held it down for 30 seconds, and then I moved on to the next one. It was pretty easy. The nails were on there after I pressed them down for 30 seconds. Of course, you're going to go back after you have all the nails on and fully cure them for 60 seconds, but just to keep moving, it was a really easy process. So this hand is all done. Now I'm going in and I'm just sanding the top of the nail so it's more flush with my cuticle. I think this really helped seal it, really helps seal the nail and look more natural, like it's coming out of your cuticle. I made sure to go in and wipe my nails off with some alcohol just to get all that off. Then I went in with some monomer just to go around my cuticles. I saw people say that monomer melts plastic, so this can help it lay flush against your cuticle as well. So I did like the way it looked. So I went in with some monomer around all of my cuticles. Then I went in with a base coat. I actually accidentally used top coat, but you normally would go in with your base coat. And then I use this kind of like aura polish that I got from Shein as well. Kind of like a holographic purple. And I was just doing like abstract French tip. Like there wasn't really any certain shape to each nail. Just the tip of the nails, I wanted it to be like a kind of wavy French tip. So I'm just going on with each nail and just doing something slightly different at the top. Then I later go back in with a smaller blush. I went back in later with a smaller blush. I want to say blush so bad. I went back in later with a smaller brush and cleaned everything up. Now I'm using this Aurora powder. It's like I don't know how to explain it, but you see it all the time. It's like really cute. I use this purple color. I don't even know where I got it from, but there's so many different companies that sell this. But I went in with a top coat and I cured it for like 10 seconds. And then I went in with this and scrubbed it on there just to give it a little more of that aura look to it. And I thought it was really cute on the tips. This is what it looks like when it's just the aura polish, and I thought that was a really cute design. But now I'm going in with a little rhinestone glue just to get prepared to lay my flower down. And it was pretty simple. I just used some tweezers and then placed it right down. I had a flash cure ready on the side and I just flash cured it so it stayed in the place. But make sure you add enough glue so it does not fall off. And I also went in the end and just added more glue on top because it kept snagging on like my hair and clothes. So just be careful with that as well. But I'm using my little flash cure lamp and just put it into place so it doesn't slide all over the place, and it looks super cute. And like I said, I'm going back in and adding more glue where I see any gaps, and then I just went back on top and added the bow on top of that flower. These are the finished nails. I think they came out super cute. I think the Gel X application was really good. Thank y'all for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.